Hi, I'm here to introduce the AI Home Refrigerator. It's a smart appliance with AI vision inside, weather updates, schedules, YouTube, Spotify, and more to make your life easier. Hi Bixby, what's on my schedule for today?
Here are your events for today.
With Map View, you can control all your appliances at once. Oh, whoops, I forgot to turn off the bedroom air conditioner. See, you can easily turn it off from right here in the kitchen. Put the items in slowly, one at a time, so the top camera can scan them.
Whoa, it added it automatically.
Yeah, AI Vision inside recognizes items and records them on the list. You can also input expiration dates.
Cool. Let me try.
The algorithm recognizes 37 types of fresh food, and it will suggest registering other frequently used ingredients through algorithm recognition. See? You can register it like this. And if you just name it like this, done.
Hold on. The milk and the cream expire today.
Time to show off my skills. Just select the ingredients and hit search for recipes. And it suggests all kinds of options. Potato gratin?
You really think you can pull that off?
The recipe's all here. No problem. Send to oven. Now on to the next step. All right, here you go.
This is so good. Try AI energy mode?
The fridge tracks usage patterns and adjusts energy consumption accordingly, saving up to 10%.
What? How does it do that?
For example, at night, when there's no cold air loss, it adjusts the compressor speed to use less energy. Hi Bixby, cleaning mode on.
Oh, looks like it's time to replace the water filter in the fridge.
Really?
Do you know how to replace the water filter?
Piece of cake. Watch me do it.
Honey, I don't think you'll be needing a toolbox for this one. Hi, Bixby. Tell me how to replace the water filter.
Sure, I can help you with that. Here's how you can change the water filter.
Oh. Hello? Oh, really? Okay, got it. See ya. They're leaving soon.
What should I make for dinner?
Why overthink it? Just ask Bixby. Hi, Bixby. Suggest a dinner menu with ingredients in our fridge. Oh, and make it high protein too. Oh, why didn't you just ask me to open for you?
No need, just a quick tap and it opens.
I'll prep the lemon and the herbs for the infuser.
Then I'll handle the drinks.
Thanks.
Should we do cubed ice or whiskey balls?
Cubed ice for iced tea.
That's right. I think we'll need more cubed ice today. Should I set it to make only cubed ice?
Great idea. The infuser water jug refills automatically now, so it's so much easier.
Okay, so lemon water, check.
Check,
Plain water, check.
check. Looks like we're almost ready for the party.
All right. Can you put something on Spotify Music?
Good idea.
Make life smarter and more enjoyable. You'll feel the difference when you try it yourself. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.